Now, first things first, you want to use a nice starchy potato like a russet. Cut them into slices about a ½ inch thick and then stack the slices up and cut in the other direction to form long strips. Transfer to a bowl and cover with hot but not boiling water and let those hang out for about 10 minutes. Drain them and pat them dry, very dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Then transfer them to a parchment-lined sheet pan. This is going to help prevent sticking. And drizzle them with plenty of olive oil and kosher salt. Then give them a good toss and pop them into a preheated 425-degree oven. While they cook, you can finally mince up some parsley and grate lots of good Parmesan cheese. When the fries are golden brown, you can remove them from the oven and drain them briefly on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Then toss them in a bowl with the parsley, cheese, and just a little drizzle of white truffle oil.